Garmin has just launched its new Fenix 9 series, bringing some major upgrades. We're getting a brighter display, faster mapping, more storage, improved training features, and better outdoor capabilities. But there's another premium outdoor smartwatch to consider: the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which starts at $699.99, compared with $999.99 for the Fenix 9. So how different are these two watches, and is the new Fenix 9 really worth paying more for? Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. If you're interested in the latest smartwatch comparisons, make sure to subscribe, and let's get started. Design, display, and build. Garmin Fenix 9 keeps its familiar rugged outdoor design, but this generation is thinner and more refined. It comes in 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm sizes, with a durable build designed for outdoor use and a sapphire lens option for extra protection. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 takes a different approach. It has a more modern, square-shaped design with a titanium case, while still being built for demanding outdoor activities. So the Fenix 9 looks more like a dedicated sports and adventure watch, while the Ultra 2 feels more like a premium smartwatch that can also handle serious outdoor use. The Fenix 9 gets a major display upgrade with a brighter AMOLED screen, reaching up to twice the brightness of the previous generation. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 also has a Super AMOLED display with up to 3000 nits of brightness, so both watches should be easy to see outdoors. Battery life. This is one of the biggest differences. The Fenix 9 can last up to 29 days in smartwatch mode on the 51mm model, making it much better suited to long trips and multi-day adventures. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 has an 800 mAh battery and can last up to 60 hours, with fast charging that can reach around 40% in 30 minutes. So, if charging your watch every couple of days isn't a problem, Samsung is fine. But if you want weeks rather than days of battery life, the Fenix 9 clearly wins. Connectivity and smart features. Now this is where the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 becomes much more interesting. The Ultra 2 supports LTE and Bluetooth, so you can stay connected, make calls, and receive notifications without always depending on your phone. It also runs Wear OS 7 with One UI 9 Watch, giving you access to a much wider smartwatch app ecosystem. Samsung also focuses heavily on smart health features, with Galaxy AI-powered insights and Samsung Health features designed to make your fitness data easier to understand. The Fenix 9 takes a different approach. Instead of focusing heavily on apps and everyday smartwatch functions, Garmin puts more attention on GPS navigation, maps, training data, stamina tracking, and outdoor activities. It also has 64 GB of storage and a faster mapping system, making navigation one of its biggest strengths. So for smartwatch connectivity and everyday smart features, Samsung has the advantage. For navigation and serious outdoor use, Garmin is stronger. Fitness and key features. Both watches can track your heart rate, sleep, workouts, GPS activities, and overall health. But the Fenix 9 goes much deeper into training. Garmin has added new stamina features, improved training metrics, Garmin Epic for combining multiple activities, plus expanded features for activities like rowing and rucking. This makes the Fenix 9 particularly attractive for runners, cyclists, hikers, and endurance athletes. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is more balanced. It gives you strong fitness tracking, advanced health insights, and outdoor workout features, but it also works as a proper everyday smartwatch. Which one should you buy? Now comes the biggest question: which one is better? At $699.99, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is much cheaper than the $999.99 Fenix 9. But the Fenix 9 justifies its higher price with its much longer battery life, advanced training tools, detailed navigation, larger storage, and stronger focus on outdoor adventures. So if you want one watch for everyday smart features, calls, apps, notifications, and fitness, I'd choose the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. But if your priority is serious training, hiking, navigation, endurance activities, and long battery life, the Fenix 9 is the better choice. And that's really the difference between them. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is the better smartwatch, while the Fenix 9 is the better dedicated outdoor and training watch.